Okay, so with the 4 black cards, you have 26 black cards in the deck. Choose 4 of them times 26 red cards in the deck. Choose 1 of them. The reason you multiply is because it's an and situation. You need 4 black cards and a red card. Anytime in this course you have the word and involved, you multiply. Anytime you have the word or involved, you add. So the black cards, 26 of them, choose 4, times the red cards, 26 of them, choose 1, or 26 black cards, choose 5. And anytime you have or, you have to add. So add those totals up because it's an or situation. All right, how many different 5-card hands can be formed containing exactly 3 cards of the same value? Example, a 3 of a kind. So this is getting into a bit of poker. So let's just do this single example. We're not going to get too complicated about it, but if you wanted to do this, you have 13 cards. You have the ace, the 2, the 3, the 4, all the way up to 10, Jack, Queen, and King. So you have all 13. Of the 13 possible cards, you need to choose 1 of them. That's your 3 of a kind. So your 3 of a kind has to be in a specific denomination, a specific number. So 13, choose 1. 4 suits, choose 3 of them. And you multiply those 2 together because it has to be the same card and the 3 suits. So 13, choose 1. Then 4 suits, choose 3 of them. That gives you a 3 of a kind. But you still have the other 2 singles. You still have 2 other single cards that you have to address. So you're going to want to go and take those other singles. So there's 12 cards left, so 12 denominations left. I should say, whatever the 3 of a kind is, it's other than that, so 12 left. Choose 2 of them because you need 2 singles that can't be the same card. If they were the same card, that would be what's called a full house. It'd be a 3 of a kind and a 2 of a kind. In this case, you don't want that. You want a 3 of a kind and then 2 singles. So the singles would be 12 cards left. Choose 2 of them. And then there's 4 suits. Choose 1. 4 suits. Choose 1. And that would get you a full house. I'm going to show you that on the board. All right, so 3 of a kind. Let's do that one, and then I'll show you a full house just to compare the two. So for a 3 of a kind, you first need what the 3 of a kind is in. It could be an ace, it could be a 2, it could be a king, it could be 3 of a kind of who knows what. So there's 13 options. You need 1 of them for your 3 of a kind. So 13, you need 1 of them. And for it to be a 3 of a kind, there's 4 suits and you need 3 of them. That gives you the 3 of a kind. If I wanted a 4 of a kind, it would be 4, choose 4. If I wanted a pair, it would be 4, choose 2. That kind of summarizes a 4 of a kind, 3 of a kind, 2 of a kind. Next, you have 2 other single cards. So you have the 3 of a kind is a specific type. Say it's an ace. You have 12 other possibilities for cards, and you need 2 of them. So 12 other possibilities, and you need 2 of them for your single cards. And 4, choose 1, because you need, of the 4 suits, you need 1 of them for your 1 single, and then 4, choose 1 for your other single. And that gives you So 13 choose 1, 4 choose 3, that's your 3 of a kind. 12 choose 2 is your 2 singles, and each suit for your singles. That gives you a 3 of a kind. What we're going to do next is we're going to look at what a full house might look like. And then maybe I'll do one more after that, actually. So full house, you have 13 cards. You need a single full house 3 of a kind. So 13 choose 1 for the 3 of a kind part. 4 choose 3. That gives you your 3 of a kind. Now you need 2 of a kind. And you have 12 options left. One of them is your 2 of a kind. One of them is your 2 of a kind. And that gives you a full house. So there's your full house. What else should I do? Let's do a pair. Something very basic, but more common. So in order to get a pair, you have 13 possibilities, and one of them is your pair. You have 4 suits, and you need 2 of them to give you a pair. So there's my pair. 13 possible pairs in terms of the denomination, and then the suits, you need 2 of the 4. So there's your pair. Now you need 3 singles. So you have 12 cards left, you need 3 for the singles, and then 4 suits for the first single, you need 1 of them. 4 for the second single, you need 1 of them. 4 for the third single, you need 1 of them. So 13 choose 1, 4 choose 2, that's going to take care of your pair. 12 choose 3, that's your singles, you got 3 of them. 4 choose 1 for the first suit, the second one, and the third one in single suits. So that covers off poker. There's not going to be a ton of it. If we were in class, we'd probably be doing a little bit more of it, but we're not, so not going to dwell on it too much. But there is the poker.